Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So last video we are discussing about the doji at top reversal candle. So with the confirmation that was giving you such a good response from your side, and I have also shared that scanners on my Telegram channel, right? So this video I'm going to create the reversal at the bottom level using the doji with the confirmation that I'm going to discuss in this video right now. So let me try to create the scan. So already we created the scan for doji top reversal with the confirmation. Here we are going to create the scanner with the doji at the bottom with the reversal. So when it happened at the lowest level, so we have the great opportunity to buy the stock at very lowest level. So that is the main idea where we are going to use the scanners and screeners to find out such a great opportunity at bottom of the market or at top of the market. So that I'm going to discuss here right now. Let me move on to the video now. So let me try it out. So the scanner which I am using for a future and options, simply we are going to make the scanner with the futures. So here we are going to create a doji. So the close price, let me try it with the 1 day ago close greater than or equal. This will help you to find out that stock which forms a doji at yesterday. So what we are using the open and close must be greater than, but we are going to use that greater than it's a higher value. So that's why we are using with the open with multiplication of the number 0.003 0.000. So this will find out any stocks which opens that close is 0.3 variation compared to the open price of the day. And the same like that we are going to use another one. So here we are going to use the addition factor, whether it is a down or up. So both we are going to find out. This is what the exact doji. Let me try it out how many stocks which forms a doji kind of candle. Let me try Bank Baroda. So when we create a scanners, you need to confirm whether it is right or wrong. So we'll try to check Bank Baroda. Whether it forms a doji. No. 1 day ago, yeah, 1 day ago it was a doji on 24th, because we are using 1 day ago. And Bandhan Bank, no, just open something mistake here. Day ago open, here we are going to use 1 day ago. That is the mistake here. Just a second. Bandhan Bank, let's try it, run the scan. Day ago open into number 0.3. Everything here it must be less than. So that is the reason. So if you run it out, we didn't get any stocks for the doji 1 day ago. So we don't get any stocks which forms such a kind of doji yesterday, right? So first we will save the scan to find out doji. Bottom. We'll save this and we modify it. So if you see that 2 days back on 24th January, so Pfizer, Nifty, GSPL, Idea, a lot of stocks. So that we know already Nifty is a perfect doji on 2 days back. Right, so that was working good. So this is the way we are going to check whether the code is working or not. Right. So then we are going to use some thing important. So that this will help you to find out the open must be greater than. The open price, the letters to open greater than low of 1 day ago. This will help you the stock which is forming such a kind of pattern. So the next day open should be greater than the low of previous day. Let me try it Nifty. So the open is greater than the low of the day, but it should be close above the high, right? So the latest close must be greater than or equal to 1 day ago high. So this will help you to find out such a perfect stocks which form a doji. So we have very less number of stocks. If you don't have this filter, so we will be getting lot of stocks. If you are doing this kind of this much of stocks to trade in intraday or positional basis is quite difficult. So while using this particular scanner will help you to find out very limited number of stocks compared to that previous one. So we have a very limited number of stocks. We'll check that on 17th January we have a Coromandel. Let's see what happened Coromandel exactly, which is forming that pattern or not. 17th January, this was the 17th, 13th, 14th. This is the 17th January. So where we get the confirmation. First day should be the doji, and the next day which is open above the between the high and low of the previous doji candle, and it closed above the doji candle. That is a confirmation. So but the stock doesn't broke that high of the pattern. So we didn't get we got a pattern right, but we didn't get any entry opportunity. That doesn't give you such opportunity. But this is the pattern we are exactly looking for. And previously NBCC on 14.1, NBCC 14.1, this may be this. Yes, again there is a pattern on NBCC. Maybe it triggers your entry and it was stop loss trigger, but here it is opening itself. So we know that first 15 minutes trick. So once if the entry got triggered by the first 15 minutes, it is an ignorable entry. But this is what the maybe first 15 minutes it may be trigger at that point. So that is the reason. So we didn't get, and after that it was fallen down. But another important thing. So this pattern we are expecting for the reversal at the bottom level, right? So this is, can you look at this? It was happening at bottom previously. Previous trend is down and it is happening at the bottom, and the trend reversal may happen. But this was happening at the highest level of the trend. So we are going to focus for a buy opportunity at the top level. It's not a good one, right? So once that is the reason. So previous trend also we need to focus what happened here. The previous trend was very bullish. So at the topest level we are getting a buy opportunity. It is ignorable. When the previous trend is bearish and we got a signal at the lowest level, there is a possibility of trend reversal will happen at the lowest level that we are going to focus for our trade. So that is why we are using some other filters. If it is the pattern which is happening at the lowest level of the market, so that will be helping to find out the lower reversal level. So that's why we are using this some other filter, subgroup filters. So here what we are going to use, the low day ago equal to low of weekly, monthly, sorry, minimum functions. We are going to use minimum 30, 30. So this will test 30 days low we are going to focus. So we use the latest. So if you are using this filter, it will find out. So if I can you see this how many stocks which is present here? If I use this filter, we will reduce the number of stocks. And this one is happening by January 12. So let me see MRF. January, 12th January. This is the 12th January, and can you see this is happening by monthly low, I think, or weekly low. So that is the reason it coming here. But previous trend should be down, so that is not satisfying. So here are some two stocks, one is Idea and another one is Precision, that 2812. So let me take Idea 2812, 27, 28. So can you see this? The previous trend should be grey down, and there is a pattern which forms at the bottom of the swing, and there is a recovery. So this kind of thing we are expecting previous trend should be down and the stock which forms at the bottom, there is a recovery possible. So that is the main key we are using for that. And persistence maybe this 28th December, and it is not satisfying. Previously the stock moving upside, so we didn't get this on, and it moves well, but I don't go for that. So when the previous trend should be down, so that's why we are using the monthly low or monthly high. So if you are using 30 days low instead of monthly low or weekly low, if I am using 30 days low, it will be better signals find out at the lowest level. But few number of signal. On December 8th, we have seen Dr. Reddy after a big fall. We seen December 8th. This is the December 8th, I think, right? So can you see that previous trend is down, and maybe this is the December 8th, correct? So there is a trend reversal with the stop loss of this. It is moved. And another one which is happening at highest level, first day doji, then second day it's closed. There is a reversal. So this is the thing we are following and we are focusing for a trade. And this is a scanner which I have already saved it. So if you want to use any of this condition, you can use. Right now I am going to hide this condition. I'm going to save the scan with the same name. You can search it for that. And this is the scanner you can copy from my Telegram. I will share you that scanner on my Telegram channel. So you may be copy and you may be changing as per your convenience. Thanks for being with me and thanks for watching this. Thank you so much.